Hey, my people, where Oluwo for carry woman go hotel, they don't steal Oluwo motor, Toyota Hilux. Hey, my people. Hi guys, welcome back to Mama SOJ vlog. How you guys doing? My name is Mama SOJ. If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you will not miss any of my updates about the celebrities. So guys, let's get into the video. Those of you when I don't know Oluwo of Iwo now one of the Yoruba king for Yoruba line, where we say they almost dethrone am because of his character, where they do, the way they behave. Where we say he get married to Jamaican lady, later they be the Jamaican lady, where we say the Jamaican lady say they cheat on her. Now so they maltreat her, now so you know they let her and they come outside. So he can't see pregnant in Palace Maid. Now they don't thief Oluwo of Iwo motor, where we say he carry go hotel. He carry another girl go hotel because now so woman I they carry go hotel because they say make he say no one marry the Palace Maid where we say him pregnant, say he no want time, so he can't go the date to another person again. Shame no let him carry the person go palace. Now he can't take carry the woman go hotel where he go sleep for hotel now for Saturday night before they go break on Sunday morning. They don't already thief more to come out. They don't already thief more to come out. The name of the hotel na Toylam Hotel, Toylam Royal Hotel for Lagos. That be the name of the hotel. My people, this Oluwo of Iwo, we don't know what they find. This Oluwo, he like woman no be small. He nyash no they stay one place. Now you pregnant woman for palace. That one no reach you. When they talk about you marry him, you say now so the woman no good. Now so the woman, you know like him, she not dey educated. You know if you use that to do your queen. Now so this one, now so you did complain. But you don't know say the woman, you don't know say the woman no good. The time when they do the woman, when we say they sleep with the woman, you don't know that time. Why you not say the dad no sweet all the time when they enter the woman? Now it reach maybe say you go use the girl to do queen. You say no, you know want amo. Say you know they educated. You know they educated. But when they sleep with her, you know say they educated. You know she know they educated. So now you go meet another woman for hotel. Hotel where you go sleep put for Saturday. Before you know, before they break, Oluwo no see motor again. Now taxi now the country return Oluwo back to palace for my people. Oluwo if you was to they talk so in much way get they don't thief am. He no get motor again as they talk to. Now he don't go report to police station. Say anybody will see the motor, may they call him for phone. He said may they call him for phone, may they help him find him because now that motor now dey expensive pass among all the cars we get. How king go they sleep with woman for hotel? How king go they move from one hotel to another? The Jamaican lady said now hotel now if carry and go the first time when they jam self now hotel now he carry the Jamaican lady go sleep put. Now only me Oluwo of Iwo me go they pay for hotel, me they sleep for hotel. Me I not say as the way they thief him out to a good home. Maybe go learn from this one. Because this is a very bad thing. You they give all the Yoruba king, you they give them name, bad name, now you they give them. You know they behave like king at all, they behave like all these Agbero boys, all those boys who they for streets. The way this king they behave, you know they behave like king. Now the post 9 at the 6 so na Sahara TV 9 post and where we say I can't say make I can't share and with on 9 at this read so when I see for screen so. Now Hilux to a Toyota Hilux now a white color. In case na help and see am, me na call Oluwo of Iwo if na fit call Oluwo of Iwo. But this Oluwo of Iwo he owe too much. Now that Palace Maid na air na cash am. He owe too much. You know say the girl no dey educated. You go they sleep with him. Later now, you see another woman, you see that one ain't good. You can't go they carry and go hotel. So that they're not going to stay for palace with you. So hotel, now this Oluwo now in the lodge put. Which kind king be this one? You get a whole big palace. Woman no fit come meet you for them. But may you go outside, may you go pay. May you go pay for hotel. So that they can't even thief your own Hilux. You know even get shame the way they go even tell police, say me they help you find her. They call ask what you they do for the hotel. The woman where you carry go safe. You say make it quick run come out before the police go come, make them for not see on our two together. Oluwo, you better go change. Because that the people, your village people, they shall say, hey, the one people, they shall say, may they leave Oluwo, now our king go, may they not dethrone the Oluwo, they just the verse for Oluwo. In character, they smell. All the whole world, they watch, the internet people, then everybody, they see for social media. This Oluwo, everybody, they see for social media. The first time when the Jamaican could never come talk, we believe everything where this Oluwo write for Instagram, say, may they not they give them respect again. Say the girl they cheat on them. Not knowing that now Oluwo na they cheat. Now Oluwo na they sleep with the palace maid. We don't know that time until this girl can't grant interview. This lady grant interview. Before we can't say everything we Oluwo they tell us now lie about the lady. Now the same thing I see they do with the palace maid. So he dumped the palace maid after I don't get belle. Say me that one go do the belle. That one say you know they do the belle. Now if you say okay, he pursue that one come out for palace, may come out for a palace, say you no go fit marry her. Now you say okay, if you know you no fit marry her, let her born the child. May you they give her money, may they take care of the child. He say no be that kind of person go fit born for her. Say you know they proud to show say na baby mama be that one. Okay, now you they go hotel again, go sleep with another one. Before God come cash and what be say they come go chief Oluwo of Iwo motto for inside hotel. My people. Now that one now I get to talk for this matter. I mean, let me know what you think for the comment section. They say the motor where Oluwo they find na Ilos, Toyota Ilos, white color. So Oluwo don't drop his phone number in case anybody see and may they call him. May they call him so that they will carry police go arrest the person. May they feel call Oluwo motor because as Oluwo they go back home, na taxi na carry Oluwo go back to palace. My people. So I go like to end the video for here, my people. Let me know what you think for the comment section, and if you never subscribe, subscribe so that I no go miss any celebrities gist where they upload. Take care till I come on our way next time. Bye bye. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.